the Ductless Directory proudly announces its newest member, NORTHSTAR Heating and Cooling. NORTHSTAR Heating and Cooling is a premier ductless contractor in Duluth, Minnesota. The first step to going ductless in Duluth is to hire the right ductless company. Hiring the right contractor is more important than price, brand, or any other factor. When you turn to the professionals at NORTHSTAR Heating and Cooling, you can rest assured that they're consumer top-rated, trained and experienced, a Fujitsu Elite Contractor. Now, Fujitsu Elite Contractors are distinguished from other contractors because of the premier level of training they've earned and the support and service they provide. Becoming an elite contractor earns them access to Fujitsu General's top-notch sales support tools. By choosing an elite contractor, gain an extra 2 years extended warranty on select Halcyon systems. Nobody knows ductless mini-splits like NORTHSTAR Heating and Cooling. NORTHSTAR Heating and Cooling will find the perfect ductless system for your home, ensuring a professional installation and help you with rebates and incentives. Going ductless is easy with NORTHSTAR Heating and Cooling, now serving Duluth, Cloquet, Hermantown, Proctor, and Moose Lake, Minnesota.